Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be talking about how to make notes with minimal efforts. So notes taking is also different type. Today I will share two types of formats. First is list format and second is concept map formats, or you can say mind map format. Let's talk about stationery. So first thing is pen, of course. Make sure to use pen you have grip on and that works smooth. Secondly, highlighter and sticky notes, and if in case you want to make your notes colorful, so you can simply use sketch pen. Now let's talk about notebooks. So you can use any notebook, but make sure that paper quality is good so that the ink doesn't bleed, which make the pages really messy. So I personally use bridal binding notebooks. These are great for notes. So these are the basic stationery you can use according to your choice. If you are able to buy high quality stationery, you can definitely go for it. Now let's come to the point. So mind map format, I personally prefer this method for eco and sometimes political science also. For this, you have to write the topic in middle and then write down the points and subpoints related to the topic in these different types of boxes. Also, you can write down the examples relate to the topic if needed. And then I use highlighter and color to fill these boxes with color to make my notes colorful. So yeah, with this we are done with our first type of notes taking. Now let's come to the second method, which is list format. So for history and political like subject, list format works pretty well. Now how to write in list format? So first you have to start writing with the topic or heading, and then you have to write subtopic, subtitle or keywords, important points and subpoints under it, and examples if needed. Then I use sticky notes or post-it for extra information or for any question from paragraph or any important points. Now if you want to write topic in different ways, so here is the ways which you can use. Then I use highlighter to highlight the sub points like important points, and also I use sketch pen for make my notes colorful. So finally we are done with our notes making ideas. So these are the ways you can use to make your notes.